Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We are given two integers 34041 and 32506 when they are divided by a three-digit integer, some n. They leave the same remainder. What is this three-digit number? Right. Now we are given that they leave the same remainder. So let us use this hint. Then let us assume that the given number is n. Then 34041, we can write it as n into some x plus that remainder r. Some x, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. Similarly, 32506. This is the same number n into some y. Right, because it is leaving a remainder, same remainder r. This x will not be y, y would be generally should be different. So this 32506 equals so same number n into some y plus r. The r is same, right? Here we are given this number into something plus remainder is same in both the cases. Right. So we can express 34041 as n into some x plus r. This one as some n into some y plus r. Now let us subtract one from the other. 34041 minus 32506. We get 1535 equals this n into x minus y. Because r and r are both common. So r and r will get cancelled. So then we get n into some x minus y. We don't know what is x, we don't know what is y. But doesn't matter. Right. But definitely this n is a factor of 1535. X minus y is also a factor of 1535. Then only the product of this become 1535, right? Now, if you 1535, clearly there is some 5 in this. Then when you try to factorize, this becomes 5 into 307. Then here 307 is a prime number. There is no more breaking. Right? 1535 we can write it in only one way. That is 5 times 307. That is our answer. Here the question is also what is the three-digit number? Three-digit integer. There is only one three-digit integer that is a factor of 1535. That is 307. So that is the answer. 307 is the only answer. When we are given these kind of problems, leaving the same kind of remainder. This is the way how we should approach it. We'll write it like this, and once we subtract, the remainder will go away. Right. Then it's about factorization. Right, guys? This is a simple problem, but we should know this trick. Thank you.